Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the lower refrigerator door hinge in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips and a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new lower refrigerator door hinge. This lower refrigerator door hinge is located at the bottom of the right side refrigerator door. It is spring-loaded and assists in closing the door. The most common reason to replace the lower refrigerator door hinge is if the right side French door won't close without an additional push. Alright, we are on the top of the fridge on the left side door hinge, and we're going to remove this single Phillips screw in order to take off this cover. Alright, next I'm going to open the door slightly, just for 1 inch at the most, and then I'm going to lift off the cover. I can close the door and let go of the cover. Next I'm going to unplug this and press down on the locking tab and pull it apart. And now I'm going to open the hinge. And we're going to pull off the hinge. Alright, now when we're done, I'm going to open that right side door and I'm going to lift it off the cabinet hinge. I'm going to place it on the ground with this side up so we can work on it. Next we're going to take out these 2 Phillips screws that holds the door stop. And now I'm going to pull it off the door. And 1 more Phillips screw here. I'm going to take it out. That's the one that holds the hinge in place. Now we need to pull the hinge out of the door. You may use a flat blade screwdriver and help to pry it out. This is the old lower refrigerator door hinge next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Now I'm going to slide this new hinge in. And I'm going to secure it with the Phillips screw. And I'm going to tighten that with the Phillips screwdriver. Next, I'm putting on the door stop and also going to secure it with a couple of Phillips screws here. I would like to open this door so it would be out of the way. I'm going to bring it in. Align it and push it down. Now I'm going to close this door so it will support the right side door. Now I'm going to install the top hinge. I'm going to slide the plug into this opening first. Then I'm going to place this cutout underneath of this little pin here. Just like that. And we're going to install this into the door. Press it down as far as it goes. And now we're going to latch the top hinge. All right. Now we're going to connect the plug and install the cover. This is the door switch. It goes against this place on the door, so we need to push it in and then press it down. And now I'm going to secure the hinge cover with a Phillips screw using a Phillips screwdriver. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.